Welcome to the Microsoft Excel for Beginners course, proudly presented by Ohio Computer Academy. In this course, you'll learn the essential Excel skills needed for personal, academic, or professional use. From entering data to creating charts and formulas, we'll guide you step by step. No prior experience required. Let's get started. If you're wondering who this Excel course is for, it's perfect for students, office folks, and anyone curious about stepping up their Excel game in a simple, practical way. Throughout this course, we'll refer to a sample Excel workbook named orders.ls. You'll find this file included with your course materials. Open it as we progress through sections. It will help you follow along and try the tasks in real time. Welcome to Section 1 of Microsoft Excel for Beginners. In this section, we'll explore what Excel is, its interface, and how it helps organize and manage data effectively. Excel is part of the Microsoft Office suite and is used across industries for everything from basic data entry to complex financial modeling. Let's open Excel and take a quick look at the interface. When you launch the program, you can choose a blank workbook or a pre-made template. Excel is organized into workbooks and worksheets. Workbooks are the main files that we work in Excel, and it is saved with an XSX extension, whereas worksheets are individual tabs within a workbook that contain a grid of cells, allowing us to organize and analyze the data. Here's the Excel interface. The ribbon contains command buttons. Tabs such as Home, Insert, and Formulas provide access to various tools. The formula bar shows what you're typing, and below is your main worksheet. Excel is used for budgeting, scheduling, inventory tracking, data analysis, and more. That's a quick overview of what Microsoft Excel is and how it's used. Up next, we'll begin entering and formatting data inside Excel.